Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free Tabby Cat pet without Robux and Visit. So in Visit, now you can get a pet, and the good news is you can actually get one for free without spending any Robux. And here's how to get the free Tabby Cat pet. First, just complete this quest, this helping hand quest like this. And to start it, just go to this shop and talk to the NPC Clara right here. This shop like this. This NPC, just talk to her, and then after accepting the quest, you will need to complete a few tasks. You have to catch 30 salmon and also get 5 pet colors like this. Pet colors that looks like this. You can see it. And put salmon and pet colors can be fished in this new Copper Canyon area, new island in Fish It. So just head over to this island, and then once you finish all the quest requirement, you will unlock the Tabby Cat pet like this. That will looks like this. It's so cute like this. And this pet also gives you a 4% luck boost, which can help you get better catch while fishing. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!